It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Tuesday, the 4th of February. I'm Michael Groff. It's another warm day out there today. Temperatures up near record levels once again, but slightly cooler temperatures for tomorrow and Thursday. A further cooling trend expected over the weekend and into next week. How cool will it get? Do we have any rain chances on the horizon? Well, we'll talk about that and everything else as we dive on in. First, the almanac from yesterday, we did it again. 86 degrees, the afternoon high, tying a record for the date. 53 was the morning low temperature, and of course, those are above those averages of 69 and 48. Outside now, here in the 12 o'clock hour, mostly sunny sky, and it is warm. 81 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points 29, humidity 15%, a light wind, and the barometer is falling. Satellite picture out here across the west. The main storm track remains to the north of us. Yes, some high clouds are passing through today, but after that, we should be mostly clear for the next few days. Watch warning map. We've got winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings, wind advisories. All of the action is off to the north and west of us from the Great Basin and through the Intermountain West, the Northern Rockies, etc. Convective outlook for today. No organized severe weather around the nation. A little thunder is possible off to the north and west of us, though. And the precipitation outlook valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix, the big goose eggs. Statewide, not much to be found there either. Again, we don't see any sign of any significant weather systems coming through here, but a bit of a pattern change is expected to take shape by this weekend and next week. We will talk about that and everything else right now as we see what the future may hold. Taking a look at the models. Here we go. The GFS, it's the 12Z run valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Big ridge for the central and eastern part of the country. Heights way above average. And that extends out here to the southwest as well. So what it means for us down at the surface for the rest of the day today, well, we'll see the clouds clearing on out of here. High temperatures, mid-80s this afternoon. Up again near record territory. And that's going to hold for not just here in Arizona, but much of the southern and central plain states, the southeast U.S. Yes, some record highs will be falling by the wayside again. We saw that yesterday. We'll see it again today. And precipitation across California, the Great Basin up into the Pacific Northwest, and it's going to stay there. For tonight, mostly clear sky, overnight lows, 40s for the cool spots, 50s in the urban core. Tomorrow, sunny, but not quite as warm. Still above average, though. Highs near 80. Same thing Thursday, highs close to 80. The sky is sunny. Friday, mostly sunny. High temperatures mid to upper 70s. And over the weekend, a few clouds on Saturday with high temperatures somewhere in the mid to upper 70s. A little cooler on Sunday, low to mid 70s with partly sunny sky. We'll see more clouds around through the day, kind of a mix of sun and clouds. Same thing on Monday, mix of sun and clouds, low to mid 70s. As this ridge kind of relaxes a bit, the flow is a bit more zonal. A week from today, this is Tuesday, the 11th. Now we're going to see a series of weak weather systems pass on through. These little short waves should come through, at least according to the GFS, starting about Monday or Tuesday of next week. And if that works out, for us in general, we should stay dry. We'll see mix of sun and clouds here. High temperatures probably close to 70, maybe the low 70s. Same thing on Wednesday. Same thing as we go out 10 days. This is Thursday, the 13th. Got another trough kind of taking shape over the Pacific Northwest. A weak weather system coming through here. A weak little short wave. And that looks dry for the most part. I guess there could be an isolated shower or two with these coming through. But for the most part, right now, it doesn't look like we have any meaningful chances of precipitation, but I should note there is considerable model spread that starts to develop out here by the middle part of next week, and we may very well see somewhat more unsettled conditions. We'll just have to see how that plays out right now. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix off the GFS ensemble out through the 18th of the month, and yeah, it does not look very promising for any precipitation around here. European ensemble is a bit more interesting. Quite a model spread here. You've got quite a few members that show nothing. But you've also got, there's one member there that's over 2 inches of rain. The control member is up around 2/3 of an inch of rain. So a greater deal of uncertainty, at least represented in the European ensemble. All right. But again, most of that doesn't start to occur until out by about 10 days. So That'll probably iron itself out here with time. All right, temperatures off the national blend of models. The trend is down, at least slightly, on temperatures, getting closer to seasonal averages by the time we get out toward next week. But certainly don't see any signs of a big push of real cold air, Arctic air. No freezing temperatures expected, at least not anytime soon. And maybe we're done with those for the winter season, at least in this part of the state. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is due back here tomorrow morning. Should you happen to enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell. Leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. If you really like what we do here, then click that thanks icon below the video here on YouTube and make those monetary contributions to us. Or you can donate directly via PayPal. groffshow@gmail.com is that PayPal address. It's groffshow@gmail.com for PayPal. The executive producer of the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion is my one and only, the sweetest of all time, the Asian sensation and proprietor of sweetchildaz.com.org and the Facebook page of the same name, Sweet Child Arizona. Talking about my Michelle. Check her out. Check out her blogs, videos, everything Michelle related and, tangentially Adriana related. It's all linked up down in the description, as is our streaming station. It's linked up down there too. It's available 24/7, 365. What the heck do we do there? Well, we play a ton of music. We have a lot of fun with that. I highly encourage you to give that a listen. And if you don't want to use the links in the description, you can just go to KMGX.com and listen via that avenue. And it's the most chaotic mix of music you'll ever hear. It's great. And do check it out. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. All of your continued support. It is so greatly appreciated. Please be safe, stay cool, stay hydrated out there with these warm temperatures, and you guys have yourselves a delightful, dare I even say a beautiful rest of your Tuesday.